I'd like to talk a little bit about computer repair, specifically laptop repair. And we do a lot of jack replacement. And what happens is you have to disassemble the entire computer to replace the jack. You can't just sort of resolder something, and a lot of times the jack itself has lost its temper, and so the entire jack has to be replaced. The whole laptop has to be disassembled, and the jack has to be replaced. This motherboard was not revivable. It was a G60 HP, I think, and so this one will be recycled. Now on the screens, we can replace the screen or the backlight. However, there are sometimes, and particularly with this G60 that we had, it seemed to be a screen problem, but actually it was the video chip here and on the motherboard, and so we had a problem, so we had to get another motherboard for that one. And also sometimes if the jack itself, the power jack, if it's loose and it's been that way for a long time, it may have screwed up the motherboard. These motherboards are like multi-layered, and so there is occasionally that the entire motherboard is screwed up and you can't sort of put it back together. But anyway, yeah, so we can copy hard drives off dead systems and or bump up your space on your hard drives, and then also increase your RAM on your laptop. If you'd like, give us a call. 707-443-8347. We're also looking for used laptops, particularly the HPs with the typical video problems, and Ausu and Compal, as well as Compaq. So if you have any of those laying around you want to get rid of, give me a call, 707-443-8347. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.